Hi, welcome to the Price Action Analyst YouTube channel. Just had a request for SHLL, which is Tortoise Acquisition Corp. So there's not a huge amount of price history here. Sorry, I'm just trying to exclude that bit so we can see. So it wasn't a very liquid stock prior to the run-up, and then something happened here. Lots of volume. But still, this, we don't have a long history of this sort of substantially different price action. So there's not a huge amount that I would say, but you could say there's two legs there, and then you could probably frame that up maybe like that. And again, this is not I wouldn't trade a stock like this. It's just not enough for me, but this is roughly 50%. You've also got a gap here, so you see the gap has provided a little bit of strength. I would also go down to bars and have a look. So I'm just trying to ascertain where you might get levels of buying support. So here and here. So and this pivot here, like a wash of this. So if I was gonna trade this, I wouldn't touch it here. I would wait. If it pushes out, you can look for ways to get on board if it's strong. I don't see that yet, so I would wait for price to continue down here and look for buying strength here, or a challenge of the trend line. But I think there's no way to tell how long that'll take before it does that or this. But when it does do that, let's say it gets down to here, wherever the low is, kind of that, expect a challenge of that high and maybe a push through. But again, I don't really like doing it on that that little time frame and that volume. This is not what I would look at as a liquid market. I just wouldn't trade this. But if you had to force me, put a gun to my head and ask me to guess what's going to happen, I would say something like that. And so, if you're in this, great. If you're not and you have to get in, I'd be looking kind of down here somewhere. So these levels are 1985, 2260, and say 25. But this looks, you've got a wick here and weakness. It looks like this is going to push down further. But whatever you do, don't get in unless you see substantial buying pressure. So something like this. But yeah, I would continue to watch. But generally, I would stay away. If you're in this, I would say hold it and wait for this next leg up. So hopefully that's helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. Please like and subscribe the video, and appreciate you making requests. Thank you.